Blood on my brand new Fendi's, burn them. My brothers like Dutchman, lie that we can wipe that off. Guess the detergent, guess he ain't been nicked. Ordered the sergeant and firearm, all no attempted murders. Facts. Love God, he made me this person. Facts. Get caught on the Gladys curtains. Facts. Get caught on the Gladys peak. Yeah. I was S-roll bopping on up block family.
What is up, YouTube? So we're back at the hut, Medway Muscle Hut in Rochester Way, training with the one and only Big YINKA in the building. If you remember when I was here last time, Mr. Marjon Muscle, link in the description right here, baby. We're gonna be hitting an upper dominant session today. YINKA's gonna be filming. I'm gonna be getting some behind the scenes footage for you guys while we train. And that's about it. Getting the pump on, fresh J's on. You know how we do. Take it easy.
Out here, man, it's fighters, keepers. Run up on the plug, what I find I keep. In guns and money we trust. When shit gets dropped, my mind's at ease. Came up this side and chose that side. My nigga, that's fine by me. My nigga, that's cool with me. But you and me, mom out the hood, that's stupid. Don't let me act stupidly. Trust. You like it ain't brother went school with me. If I lock that door and slap this.
Gentlemen, spotted a wild YINKA. Wild Yinks, big Yinks. Late as always. Look at him. Late. He's late. He's late. Look at him. Give me a flexer. Look at the size of you, bro. Woo!
You be singing like Julia Reed. Trust. You be singing like Jodeci. Black suits and black cubes. Fuck boy at the pastor preach. Fuck boy at the pastor preach. Somebody looking over me. Gotta look over my shoulder. Heard a revolver squeeze. Bow.
I can see the blue lights in the distance. I think feds heard the revolver squeeze. Don't commercialize beef, go around there and won't even know it's me. In a downtown function, still gotta do risk assessments and CRBs. I see the young G try grip the dots with one hand. Look, I can't control this heat. Done a bit exchange in residential zones. Now the neighbours baff, these ain't council flats, these are mortgage homes. I mean, it's up to jail, I can't send in jobs.
2 months and I'll fly away.
I normally go one shoulder press. I'll go one press movement to shoulder, then 2 chest movements, pressing, then I go to flies. So the raises.
Alright, so basically it's blow up my chest and shoulders today until I can't walk anymore or wipe my ass in the evening. But I've never done this type of machinery before. This is all primal strength machines. As I mentioned in another video, our gym, Crayford, has a lot of hammer strength and Cybex. So it's definitely going to be a different movement. I'm excited to see.
Book of Revelation, chapter 7, verses 16 and 17. Yes, sir. They shall hunger no more, neither shall they thirst anymore. Preach, preacher, for God shall wipe away. Yes, sir. Every tear from their eye. Yes, sir. Get ready for the revolution.
Looking at is the word.
They try to copy the whip, it's not me. She want you on my dick, no, he box you, stay in your lane.
Oh my god! God dang! If you see on my Instagram, for my show, I come out to Pop Smoke. Yeah? I'll leave it there. You gotta put the link here. You gotta follow my ass and you gotta watch it. You better like that. Like that.
Like, cause you rapping this shit. I'm like, bro, I've been rapping this shit. Catch out, get fat, I do it like the mafia. Bitch, I move trap with the screen. How you say that I'm lacking this shit, but I haven't got hit, boy, you capping this shit. Yo, raps, these niggas be lying that shit with my get catch it. No, we dashing that whip like. Boy, got hit in his chest and his wig cap. Don't got her best on my oodles, they'll bliss that. Why he capping on me with his bitch ass? She tryna eat on my kids where her lips at. They like,
Yeah, buddy. Lightweight.
Right guys, hope you enjoy that session with the man himself, the Turkish beast.
Big huge in the building, aka Salt Bay.
You sound like, what's that guy, Sean Paul?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Why are you wearing shades, bro?
Listen, I got a do-rag on as well, so I am Sean Paul. Shut up, Arnold.
He's wearing shades because the workout messed him up. His eyes are red. He's trying to cover it up.
Yeah, I got cataracts.
Is it? Alright, cool.
Cataract.
Well, yeah, that was a good session, man.
Was a good session. Hard, intense.
Yeah.
What do you call it? Left it all in the gym, really.
Yeah,
not playing around. Got to do what's to be done.
As you can see, guys, we're both in off season. We're both in off season, so I don't know what your plans are for the rest of the year. You competing?
I am again looking to compete. Hopefully September to November time, similar. I'm not sure on my shows yet, as I think you've picked yours.
Yeah, my shows are picked, but I'm not really announcing it yet. I'll let you guys know in the next series. But like he said, I'm competing at the back end of the year.
Yeah.
So we're still. I think I've got about 4 to 6 weeks left on my off season.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I think similar. I think I'm going for another two. You know what, mate? I think 6 to 8 weeks for me. 2 months realistically, and then we're gonna kind of adjust diet, peel off, see what's happening under the fat layer. I mean, I'm holding quite nicely at the moment. And then what we were saying about anyway before, just filming this bit, the aim for this show is to bring mass alongside the condition, because the condition I know I can bring. I've done it last show.
You look crazy at your last show.
Yeah, but like if I could come with nice mass at my height.
I think if you come in maybe a couple kilos heavier, maybe another 5 kilos heavier.
Yeah, I think I'll be in the 70s this time.
Yeah.
Like I was 67 kilos. My first show.
So what do you weigh right now?
85.
85. Okay. That's what I weighed on stage. So
I think I can get to 88 at the end of this off season, but still lean. I don't think it will be a case where I'll be too fat, because I'm actually still comfortable breathing right now. Like you can see, I'm not out of breath.
Yeah.
The main goal is to be as functional as possible, and then when sleep starts to really suffer, that's when I call it quits, maintain, up cardio a little bit, see if I can hold. So
okay, that's pretty similar to me. With me, I'm at my heaviest ever. I'm like 99 kilos.
Jesus.
I've never been that weight before. On stage, I'm usually around 85. So this time around, I expect to be about maybe 88.
What was your last time? 80.
On stage?
Yeah, 80.
When I did Italy, which is my best look, I was 85. All my shows I was 85, to be honest, last season.
Wow.
But I kind of look like I'm 90, so which is a blessing in.
You don't look like 90.
But
you look like you freaking weigh 200 kilos.
Nah, no way.
Like a smart car.
So yeah, I'm on my heaviest now. I don't really get sleep. Sleep for me in off season is like gold. It's hard to get up in the morning anyway, because it's off season. In prep, I'm up at 5 a.m. But sleep's not an issue for me. The main thing with the weight for me is like lower back and my feet when I'm standing. So yeah, not hopefully, when I start to diet down, it will get a lot better. So
definitely.
Yeah.
But that's everything, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe to Big Yinks, obviously. My ugly ass is going to be in the description, so make sure you click that little thing
I'll
down
put his
there.
link in the description. This is a funny guy. Make sure you follow his page, man. Check out his Instagram as well.
Yeah, we got
tutorials galore. This guy is a salesman. He will sell you water.
Yeah,
that's how good this guy is.
I'll take your wallet and sell it back to you, no problem.
What's that line on Jay-Z song? He said, can't remember the song anyway. Cut that out. Cut that out. I hope you enjoyed that. Next video will be dropping soon. Bosh.
Bosh.